Hello class. Today we're going to be looking at Greek numbers again. We're going to start to see a little bit of how does this work, how does this apply to our class. I'm also going to try to do this in English and Spanish, just in case we need it. Voy a hacer este video en inglés y en español también, si es necesario, si quieren traducir, quieren yo traduzco en cada video, pueden decir a mí. Okay, vamos a continuar. We're going to continue in 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so I decided today we are not going to do a Chinese word of the day, but instead we're going to do a Greek word of the day. So the one that we have here is this. It is pronounced arithmos. Arithmos. So it means number. Significa número. Arithmos significa número. Why do you think I had you do a Greek word, and why do you think I chose this word? So just please write a response right there in 3, 2, 1, 0. If you need to, just take some time to pause and do it. So let's review some of these. All you're doing today is determining how many sides there are. Solo necesitan determinar cuántos lados tiene este polygón. So, pentagon. Let's look at that. If you remember from what we've been doing, we have this word, pente. Pente. This means 5. So this is 5 sides. Alright, so let's look at this. So you might remember we have a number, NAA. This one is 9. So this has 9 sides. Alright, so let's look at this one. This says heptadecagon. So we don't have this specifically. Instead, what we had was this. We had decaepta. Decaepta. This means 17. 10, 7. 17. For whatever reason, when we are doing this, they just switch it. So this one, they switch, and then put an H. Sorry, that's supposed to be this. Okay, so this means 17. 17 sides. So remember the original word, decaepta, and then we just switch it, heptadecagon. Alright, so now let's look at this. There's 2 parts, ikosi, tetra. You did not learn the word tetra. But we did learn ikosi. Ikosi. So this means 20. So let's look at what this means. Tetra significa cuatro. Tetra means 4. So if you know the game Tetris, el juego Tetris, you have things that look like this, and then things that look like this, things that look like this. Something that you'll notice there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every piece has 4 pieces. That is the point. Cada pieza tiene 4 piezas. So tetra, Tetris. Everything has 4. So ikosi tetra. 24. Ikosi tetragon. 24 sides. Okay, so how you can know these is by reviewing. So just review the notes on numbers. So necesitan revisar las notas sobre los números en griego. So we're gonna move on. Vamos a continuar en 3, 2, 1, 0. So I want you to try this on your own. Deben hacer individual. Pueden usar las notas de los números de la semana pasada también. You can use the notes with the numbers from the previous week. So you should pause the video and then I will move on soon. I will assume you paused. Deben pausar el video, entonces voy a continuar en 3, 2, 1, 0. So we're going to continue now. Octagon. So you might remember octo. This is 8, so 8 sides. Dodecagon, you might remember dodeca. Dodeca means 12, so we have 12 sides. Icosienagon. So remember icosi, that is 20. Hena or ena is 1, so this is 21 sides. Tetragontagon. So remember the nta. So remember that thing. When we were comparing it to something like cuarenta, nta. That's where that comes from. Cuarenta, 40. So tetraconta. Tetra, cuatro. Tetra, 4. Conta. So this means like, I guess like times 10. So this is 40. Tiene 40 lados. So if you need to review the numbers, you can just review those. So just remember those patterns. If you need to look at the video again, please look at that video. You can just take a screenshot of all of the numbers so that you can kind of look at it, memorize it from there. Okay, so here is your you do section. I want to be making this as easy as possible for you to do. So we're going to do a quiz on Canvas every day. Vamos a hacer una prueba de Canvas cada día porque creo que es más fácil para todos ustedes. So do the quiz and submit it, that is all. So you have two things. First, watch the video, and then do and submit the quiz. So video, quiz. You do not need to take a picture of anything. Just do the quiz. No necesitan hacer otros trabajos, solo necesitan ver el video, entonces hacer la prueba sobre el video. Solo las dos cosas. So I hope that makes it easier, and I hope this was kind of fun. Alright, have a good day everybody. Tengan buen día.